Are you sick of feeling weak, unmotivated, injured and in pain?
You're feeling anxious, uninspired, stagnant, maybe lacking energy?
How would your life be if you felt strong, powerful, explosive and resilient?
How good would it feel if you felt younger, more vitality, you had confidence and you're empowered?
So where do you start? There is a sea of misinformation out there. Quick fixes, 6-week challenges, Instagram trainers, fad diets, and ineffective methods of training. We've dedicated our lives to finding out what true health and fitness is. And we've packaged this program together so we can bring it to you, to help you feel what we feel every single day.
The body's an instrument, not an ornament. We know that it's more important how you feel physically and emotionally than what you look like. We're after long-term fulfillment over instant gratification.
Effective results is the best measure of truth. We've been in the trenches for years trying to figure out what works, and we've been testing it on ourselves and testing it on our customers. And we've rehabilitated thousands and thousands of people, from everyday Joe Blows up to elite level professional athletes.
I've been in the industry for decades. I've made it a quest to find out how to fix people, how to get them out of pain, how to get them moving well. Over the years, I've worked with thousands of people in chronic pain, often over 20 years of pain. Nobody's been able to help them. And I've been able to get them out of pain firstly, and then get them back to full function. I've worked with people right through from mums that just want to pick up their kids without back pain, through to international cricketers, Olympic athletes, AFL Brownlow medalists, AFL Premiership captains, and NFL Super Bowl winners.
I've been on a quest to enhance my knowledge, to gather information from people all over the world. I've been a student of these methods and principles, and over the years I've helped enhance them, fortify them, and transcend them into the program that it is today. I've worked with AFL athletes, NFL players, professional golfers, but I'm more excited about bringing this program to you to empower you to feel what I feel every day. Now we're going to debunk 7 common myths that stop people from exercising.
Everybody's got an excuse. Which ones are yours?
Can't exercise because of pain or injury. Now we know this is a myth because we've been running the biggest case study over the last 10 to 15 years with all the customers that have been through our doors in pain and in that same belief pattern, and we've seen them be able to rehabilitate and change that thought. Okay, so we know that through good solid myofascial release bodywork and a combination of pure movement, loading of your joints through resistance training, walking and sprinting, the body responds, the body can heal regardless of what's happened in the past through injury or pain. We know ourselves too, we've suffered pain, and very rarely can you not do anything. Okay, a lot of people would say, I've got a knee injury, I can't exercise at all. There's heaps that you can still do. Okay, so it's just a limiting belief pattern that you've got to get over if you're to achieve the goals that you so want.
You've got to be totally honest with yourself. Have you done everything possible to work out how to fix your pain? Have you been on a quest? Have you done all the actions that are going to be in alignment to get you from point A to point B? You've got to ask yourself that.
I can't exercise because I don't have the time. Guys, there's 24 hours in a day. If you give us 20 to 30 minutes, 4 days a week, we promise you that you will achieve your desired goal or result, okay? To have a purely functioning body, an optimal body, a resilient and robust body that can deal with pain and injury. We make time for the things that you value, all right? So it's not a big ask, you just got to commit.
It's all about values, guys. If you think it's important, you'll get organized. You put it into your diary and you'll keep that appointment. It's as important as anything else in your life. Take some personal responsibility for your health and get it done.
I can't exercise because I'm too old or I'm not fit enough to start. Guys, you got to do your future self a favor. When you put the right stimulus through your body, it can heal, it can regenerate, okay? So regardless of what age you are or what fitness level you are right at this moment of your life, you have to think about your future self, okay? Make a change today. Numerical age means nothing. It's all about how we feel inside. And if you create good habits now, in 10 years' time, you're gonna look back and thank yourself for making those changes.
Yeah, it's totally a belief system, guys. When you believe that you can't get fitter, you can't get healthier, you can't lose weight, different things like that, you don't even try. So you don't have that motivation to get up and do the actions that are going to get you there where you need to go. But you are what you repeatedly do. Excellence is not a one-off act, it's a habit. So that's an old Aristotle quote, but it rings true right now. So it's your choice. What are you going to do?
Can't exercise because I don't have access to equipment. Guys, gym memberships are out there for $10 a week, okay? And if gyms aren't your thing, you can start to piece together a dumbbell here, a kettlebell there, maybe a barbell and a dead ball. And before you know it, you're gonna have a dedicated space at home for you to hone your craft, for you to work on your body and achieve your results. Not to mention the amount of body weight exercises that are out there. Corrective exercises are that too. So if your goal is performance or overcoming pain and injury, you really don't have an excuse.
Humans are resourceful, guys. Got to find a way. Can you go to the park where there's monkey bars and equipment? Can you borrow off somebody? Can you rent? Or can you get together with a group of people and collate some equipment, get some space where you can do workouts together? Don't ever let the lack of equipment stop you.
I can't exercise because I can't afford it. What about the cost of inaction? Think about 10 years down the track, if you don't invest in yourself right now, the dependency on practitioners, on physios, on doctors, and maybe even surgeons. How much is that cost going to outweigh your initial investment that you might make now? Stop all those cascading things from happening over the course of the rest of your life.
Your health is wealth. It's priceless. You've got to invest in yourself. You're worth it. It's all about self-love, self-respect. Put the time and money into yourself and you'll get the rewards back.
I can't exercise because I don't know what to do. Now, it's a myth, guys. It is challenging because there's a sea of information in the health and fitness industry, but the best thing about investing in coaches and investing in a course is that we've done the groundwork for you. We've been in the industry for years and we've been studying from people, researching, experimenting and testing on ourselves. And we've formulated a program that we know works and that we know respects the human biology from where we've come from and where we've evolved from. Okay, so we've pieced together key elements of bodywork, biohacking, resistance training, pure biomechanics and sprinting, and we know that that equals a really healthy and optimally functioning body.
You got to look for people that you want to emulate, things that they can do, things they can perform. What sort of program are they on? Is it going to be interesting? Are you going to be able to stick at it? These are all the things you need to ask yourself. So go out there and find that program.
I can't exercise because I'm not motivated. Now, this isn't really a myth, but we believe this might resonate with a lot of people out there that are going through the same thing. Okay, so if you're not motivated, it's because you haven't got an end goal in mind. You can't see the light at the end of the tunnel. You can't see the result, all right? So you've got to find your motivating factor. And quite often it's linked to your highest values, okay? Normally we exercise and we want to stay fit because something, okay? So if you're unwilling to find that because, or you don't want to, all the information we've got in this program for you is meaningless, okay? You may as well leave this video now, because if you're not willing to find that factor, then you're never going to be able to find that motivation to start training.
Do you want to instill habits that are going to get you fitter, stronger, healthier, more energy, be able to play with your kids, do the things you really want to do in your life?
In this program, you will receive the exact blueprint of methods and principles that we have used to rehabilitate and fix thousands of people over the past few decades.
Our motto is clean first, build second. So what we mean by cleaning is we want to eliminate all the pain, all the blocks, all the restrictions out of your body first before we go on to the build phase. In the clean section, we've got over 15 hours of how to do our signature deep tissue bodywork on yourself.
In the build phase, we have over 200 exercises, innovative, dynamic, functional exercises to build you up from the ground floor, from corrective exercises to biomechanical enhancement and ultimately sprinting. We take you on a journey from the ground level up. No matter what your fitness level, we want you to start from week 1 and develop into week 8. If you can't go weekly, you can progress through stages, but it's really important to connect the dots at the ground floor. Go through the heavy lifting, go through the corrective exercise and progress up to being introduced into barefoot sprinting. Optimal growth occurs on the border of challenge and support, and when you join our community, that's exactly what you'll get. We'll keep you accountable, we'll challenge you, we'll push you, but we'll also support you, motivate you, and ensure that you're engaged to achieve the result that you want. For our journey, we have discovered that true health is far greater than just fitness and exercise. In addition to our clean first and build second protocols, we have added a massive list of biohabits. These range from earthing to nutrition to breathwork and light exposure.
We really want you to get results with this program. Embrace these habits and you will succeed.
Like it or not, there is a massive inability to trust oneself when committing to a new health, fitness or exercise program. With us, we've set the structure. It's a proven, tried and tested method. If you commit to it, we're gonna be there to kick you up the arse, support you when you need a cuddle, but we'll be there to get the result you desire. We're on a mission to change what fitness is. A sick man has one wish. A healthy man has infinite wishes.
You're presented with two choices, repeat or evolve. Choice is yours.